Hey guys, so today I'm going to do some of my pet peeves, my top worst, my top 3 or something like that. My first one is my absolute worst. I did a video like this before, so this is part 2. So yeah, if you haven't already, go check out that video. So yeah. But anyways, my number one, my number one worst pet peeve is when people make a bubble, or not make a bubble, they do that and then they just poke it and not squeeze it. They don't do that, they just do. I hate that. I always like to pop it. Another one of my pet peeves is when in ASMR they just do this first, it's like this, and they have really sticky slime, and they hold it for a long time, or they show the slime for a long time. My next pet peeve is what I just said. I just spoiled it. But anyways, my next pet peeve is when people do a long intro and they don't even play with the slime. So I'm gonna put the slime back in its container, and you guys are gonna see what I mean. And it takes them forever to show the slime. But yeah, it's another one of my pet peeves. Another one of my pet peeves is, I don't have one because I lost mine, but I think it's in my closet. When they use the tennis racket and they push it on and then they just leave it and then they poke on top of it. Ugh, I hate that. I cringe so hard. Then another one is where they split up the slime. And then they just do that. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that happen before, but I have, and I hate when it happens. So yeah, that was some of my pet peeves. But the last but not least, I hate this one. So when people make a bubble and then they squeeze it and their hand gets all messy. Ugh, I hate when that happens. It looks all gross. Especially when I'm eating and I'm watching ASMR videos or something. If I see that happen, I'm so mad. I like watching Justamira and stuff, and she pops the bubbles and does that and then pops them like I do, because I don't like dirty hands. You see this, my hands are getting a little bit dirty from just doing that. So imagine doing a bubble. Hold on. Imagine doing a bubble. You see that bubble? And then squeezing it. Your hands just get all messy. So yeah. Yeah guys, that was all my pet peeves. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe. Peace. I know this video is kind of short, but yeah, I love you guys and goodbye.